Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using a custom image as your background on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's possible to use screenshots from games as your background image, and you can also use any image you want as long as you put it on a USB storage device first, and then plug it into your PS4 console. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down near to the bottom and select Themes. Now click Select Theme. In the theme selection, select Custom. Here click Select Image. Choose System Storage to use a screenshot from your PS4. Or select USB storage to use your own imported image. Select the image you want to use as your background. You can now use the right stick to zoom in and out to crop your image. Now click Select Color to choose the color for your UI. Once you've done that, click Apply to set the image. Your new theme will be saved with the new background image you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.